Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to download Flix Vision to Amazon Firestick. Let's begin. First, open the Amazon store on your Firestick and go to the search option. Type in Downloader, then select the Downloader app and click Install. After the installation is complete, we need to enable installation from unknown sources. To do this, go to Settings, then My Fire TV, and select About. Press the middle button on your remote 7 times to activate developer options. Now, go back and open developer options. Enable ADB debugging and turn on Install Unknown Apps for the Downloader app. Next, open the Downloader app and click on the search bar. Enter the code 18545 and press Go. The app will start downloading Flix Vision. After the download finishes, install the app. Finally, once the installation is done, delete the setup file to free up space on your device. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.